morning, everybody. It is Monday and we're starting off a new week of lunches, probably mostly Christmas themed. So today we are using the Yum Box Original. I have apple chunks arranged in kind of a candy cane, red and white alternating. I have cucumber sticks, mini pepperonis, goldfish crackers. These are from a multicolored bag. Sometimes they have Christmas ones that are just red and green. So like a crazy person, I just took a big handful and picked out all the red and green ones. I put the yellow and orange ones on the bottom, and I put the red and green ones on top because I'm nuts. This is hummus, and this is some popcorn with a little chocolate drizzled on it. Very good stuff. So that's Monday's lunch. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, friends. It's Tuesday, and this is Augie's lunch. Today I'm using a lunchbox by Eco Lunchbox. Can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. It's one I don't pull out a lot, but I really like it. So I'll try and list that down in the description. So he's got chocolate hummus again in here. We had that last week, and this is the last of it. Some pretzel slims, applesauce, a few sugar snap peas, and some deli turkey roll-ups. It's not a Christmassy lunch today because I kind of ran out of time. We got to get him out the door. So I'm going to wrap this up. Good morning, gang. It is Wednesday morning, and I have a total thermos lunch for you today. It's the first time I've ever sent 2 thermoses to school, but we're trying something, so this is why. Okay, so this one, the smaller one, is filled with homemade tomato soup, a tomato bisque. We had this for dinner last night, and it was so good. We had it with grilled cheese and salad. It was delicious. It's, I can't remember the name of the book. It's like Instant Pot Soup, Stews, and whatever. But I'll put a link down in the bottom, in the description. I got a review copy, and this soup was great. So I'm looking forward to trying other ones. So this is what it looks like. Look at that beautiful color. So hot. So we'll have nice piping hot soup. And then this one, we're trying something new. I don't think we've ever done this before, but I made a grilled cheese and cut it up and put it in the biggest lunchbox thermos so it would fit. So you can see that. So I don't want the lids off for very long because I don't want them to get cool. I want to keep the heat in there. But we're hoping, I mean, I know this could get soggy in here, but I filled it up with the hot boiling water like usual. And then before I put the grilled cheese in, I wiped it real well with a towel to make sure there wasn't residual moisture. So obviously some moisture will come off the sandwiches, but hopefully it won't be too soggy at lunchtime. So I will report back because I'm curious to see how this goes. Here's what came home in the lunchbox today. There was a little bit of soup left. You can see he ate about half, and then grilled cheese was all gone. Apparently the grilled cheese was very good and successful. I asked him if it was soggy, and he said no. And I asked him if it was crispy, and he said, well, no, but it was still good. So that worked out pretty well, and we'll probably do that again. Hey guys, it's Thursday, and this is Augie's lunch today. So down in the main compartment, we have some cut up meatballs. They were frozen, and I warmed them up. Then I cut them into chunks and cooled them off so they didn't steam up the lunchbox. Then on top we have some Christmas trees made out of cucumbers that I cut into graduated lengths and topped with a little tomato. That little container is ketchup for the meatballs. Then we have some chocolate stars from Trader Joe's, so yummy, and a really delicious apple. This is an ambrosia apple. They are so good. And that, my friends, is what is happening for lunch on Thursday. Hey everybody, it is Wendy back at you on a Friday morning. This is the last lunch of the week. I actually did not make a lot of Christmassy lunches this week, which is not what I expected, but things just worked out that way. So today, it is a little bit Christmassy. We have red pepperoni in a green cup, my favorite, easiest way to make lunches look like Christmas. There's a little snowman pick. Then over here, we have Ritz crackers that have snowflakes on them. They're really hard to see with this batch, but trust me, I paid for them. They're there. Then we have some green sugar snap peas and some kind of reddish apple with a little snowman pick. So That's your lunch for this Friday. Thanks a lot for joining me this week. I always love to have you here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, maybe you might want to subscribe. I'd really love to have you here. Thanks a lot and have a great weekend.